Welcome back to this week's video. My name is Mitch Asser, and what I've been doing over the past few months is building out GrooveFunnels funnels for everyone who purchases through GrooveFunnels through my membership. They're getting access to a brand new funnel every single week, so that it's just simply plug and play, changing a little bit of copy, and you're good to go to start building your business to generate more leads and more sales faster. And this week we're talking about a download to purchase funnel. So you can name this in a whole host of different ways, but basically we're going for the email first, and then once we've got their email address, that's when we start to sell them. And I'm going to show you this particular funnel is 2 pages, but I'm going to show you how you can make it 3 or more pages depending on how many offers you actually have as well. So let's just dive straight into it now, and this is what the page looks like. Generally, the easiest way to get an email address is through like a free blueprint. Even still to this day, after many years, blueprints, guides, cheat sheets, those things that are easy to produce and also easy to consume are still converting the best over things like video series or other things like that. So in order to create something like that, you can either write it yourself, you could do a presentation and get a VA to write it for you, or you can actually private label other documents and cheat sheets and stuff that are already created, put it under your name, and then you can put that out there as well, and it's super inexpensive to do so you can actually check that out as well. Just go PLR article or PLR ebook and search that on the internet, and you'll be able to get one of these up quite soon. But basically, when this page, we're just looking to showcase what that download is here, have a nice big headline that stands out, a little bit about it, download now, and people can put in their email address. If you've been featured in somewhere, that's nice to add as well. If not, you can add some testimonials, what you'll find inside, a little bit about you as an author, a quick testimonial, and then another download button. Super easy page, really great one. As soon as they download that page, that document, then you take them to the next page, which is the very next step in the funnel. And this is important because you acknowledge that you're about to send them what they opted in for, because if you don't acknowledge it, then there's a big disconnect. So you've got to acknowledge that you're going to fulfill your promise, essentially. So your copy of the flexibility blueprint will arrive in your inbox in 12 minutes. In the meantime, watch this short but important 5-minute and 38 video that I made for you. Yes, it's only that long, so watch it all. The purpose of this is to sell them on the next thing. So this video goes for 5 minutes 38. Hopefully they watch all of that, and if they don't, or if they do, or if they don't, hopefully they see the rest of this as well. So this is where you introduce your first offer, and generally this offer is going to be quite a low priced offer. So you can see this one's $29, something that makes it quite an easy yes for people to actually purchase this thing. So, however, because it is a low priced offer, it doesn't mean that you just put it up there and hope people will buy it. You've really got to sell this offer just like you're trying to sell a $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 product, where what they'll get, you tell them everything they'll get: features, benefits, features, benefits, features, benefits. Enroll, have a guarantee, give them some extra bonuses as well. Showcase all the testimonials that you have in order to from people who have been through this before. And then just continue on with all of this type of stuff. So you can have a bit of a sneak peek, which is really effective as well to show people what's inside, and then a nice big buy button down the bottom. Now, if we take a step back and look at this first page, so this first page is in this scenario was a free blueprint, 10 keys to faster flexibility and mobility. Then we come through to this page, and we don't have the exact offer of what it is, but basically it's the extra online program now that would have been created, that the blueprint would have been created from. So you want to give them the next logical step, so that it's a very easy yes for them, because that's what they're opting in for, and they're like, oh yeah, this blueprint looks pretty good. And then they're like, oh, hold on a second, I can get an entire online program to go with this blueprint for only $29. That's a really good offer. Whereas if they opted in for a blueprint about stretching, and then you tried to sell them a program about nutrition, there's a massive disconnect there, because people don't want those things. However, very smartly, what this person has done, they know their audience, and they know that nutrition is an extra thing that their audience wants, but it's not the main thing. So they've added that in as a bonus down here. And so then they're thinking, in the person's mind who's thinking about this purchase, is like, okay, this is awesome. I've got my blueprint. I've got a training program that is going to help me so that I can get that extra information, that extra little bit of help. And oh yeah, that's pretty cool. I've been thinking about wanting to, I know sort of how my nutrition is related to being more flexible, but I haven't known where to get started. So I get this for free anyway. So yeah, it makes it a no-brainer for me to purchase. So that's as simple as it can be. But $29, you're not going to make a lot of money off $29. It's probably not going to be barely enough to break even if you're running ads to your first page. So then if you've got another offer, which is ideally going to be $97 or $297, something like that, all you need to do is come in to pages on the left here, go to these three dots, clone this page, and then you can change everything on here. So you would just change out this headline here, and it would say, wait, add this to your order today and save $900 on our best-selling flagship product. I don't know this industry, but it'd be like whatever the next thing that it is that people are going to want from you. So it could be like a 7-day training program or a 30-day training program or something like that that has a little bit more accountability, has a community, it just has a bigger and better offer for them. And then, you know, there's going to be a percentage of people who take that as well, which means you can start to be making profit from cold audience in that scenario. And then if you've got another offer on top of that, then you can just clone it again and have that. And then you start to piece all of these pages together when you're creating your checkout, and people will start going through your funnel and hopefully purchasing all the stuff that you have. So that's basically the free download to Tripwire, or free download to the doormat offer type of funnel. And you can duplicate this page as many times as you want, depending on how many offers you have in that funnel, and it's going to be a really great way for you to make money. The only thing left on top of that is just to start split testing everything. And that's really the name of the game when it comes to online marketing, is how can you increase your conversion rate so that you have a higher conversion rate, a lower cost per sale, which means you can scale more and make more profit, which is what we're all here to do. So go ahead and check that out. If you're not a GrooveFunnels member yet, there'll be a link down below where you can sign up. If you do sign up and upgrade to the premium package, you get tens of thousands of dollars of bonuses through me. There's already, I think, 20 or 30 people who have done that. They're in there, they're excited. There's also people who are also making money as affiliates. Some of the people in my program have already generated between $5,000 and $10,000 in sales for GrooveFunnels as well. So once you're inside, there's opportunity to do that by using my bonuses as well, which makes it such an easy yes for people to get involved. So you could potentially have a email marketing system, a funnel builder, a checkout cart, and all of their other tools for free if you just get 3 sales once you're signed up. So go ahead and do that now. For the members, this is in your members area, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.